Hello guys, in this video we will see what is DirectX Error Name in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step about understanding DirectX Error Name. Content DirectX Error Name, often encountered in Battlefield titles, signifies a problem with the graphics rendering process, typically related to the DirectX API or graphics card drivers or the hardware itself. This specific error code translates to get error device hung, meaning the graphics device your GPU has stopped responding to commands, potentially due to driver crashes, excessive load, or faulty hardware. While it can manifest as a game crash to desktop, a frozen screen, or a complete system hang, it fundamentally indicates a breakdown in communication or processing within the graphics subsystem during gameplay. Step update graphics card drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a primary culprit. For DirectX, errors begin by performing a clean installation of the latest stable drivers for your graphics card. From NVIDIA users, download GeForce Experience, and users should use Software Adrenaline Edition, and Intel users can find drivers via the Intel Driver Support Assistant. During installation, select the Custom or Clean Installation option to remove all previous driver files and settings, which helps prevent conflicts. Restart your computer after the driver update is complete before attempting to launch Battlefield again.
Step update DirectX runtime and Windows content. Since the error is DirectX related, ensuring your DirectX runtime components are up to date is crucial. While modern Windows versions update DirectX Mail, Windows Update, it's wise to manually check for any pending system updates. Navigate to Windows Settings, Update, Security, Windows Update, and install all available updates. Additionally, you can download and run the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft's official website. This tool will scan your system and install any missing or corrupted DirectX code or the files that Battlefield might rely on without overwriting DirectX components. Step verify game files and repair Battlefield's DirectX redistributable. The content game file corruption can also trigger rendering errors. Use your game launcher or Steam to verify the integrity of Battlefield's game files. This process scans for missing or corrupted files and downloads replacements. For the right-click the game and select Repair. For Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. Furthermore, many games include their own specific DirectX redistributables. Navigate to your Battlefield installation directory, typically within a redist install or installer folder, and look for a DirectX subdirectory. Run the .exe2pix file found there to repair or reinstall the game-specific DirectX components. Step adjust in-game settings and monitor GPU health content. If the error persists, it could be due to excessive strain on your graphics card or underlying hardware issues. Launch Battlefield and immediately lower various graphics settings such as resolution, texture, quality, anti-aliasing, and shadows. Test the game to see if the error recurs. If you have overclocked your GPU, revert it to stock clock speeds, as unstable overclocks frequently cause rendering device errors. Consider monitoring your GPU's temperature and usage using tools like Afterburner or WinFold. During gameplay, high temperatures or sudden drops in usage just before a crash can indicate overheating or a failing GPU, warranting further hardware diagnostics or professional attention.